Samsung TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. Your Samsung TV is on, the screen is staring back at you, and the Wi-Fi just will not connect. No Netflix, no YouTube, nothing. Before you call a technician or buy a new TV, watch this. We have 7 fixes that actually work, starting from the easiest and ending with the one that solves it for most people. Number 7. Weak signal and physical blocks. Your router might be too far from your TV. Walls, metal shelves, and microwaves all block Wi-Fi signals. Samsung says your router should be within 50 feet of your TV with nothing big in between. If your TV shows only 1 or 2 signal bars, the signal is too weak. Move your router closer. If you cannot move it, get a Wi-Fi extender to push the signal into the room. You can also plug an Ethernet cable from your router directly into your TV. That skips Wi-Fi and gives you a solid connection. Number 6. Wrong network or wrong password. Sometimes it is this simple. You picked the wrong network or typed the wrong password. If you live near neighbors, many Wi-Fi networks with similar names can show up on your TV screen. Pick yours carefully. Typing a password with a TV remote is slow and easy to mess up. One wrong character and it fails every time. Some older Samsung TVs have trouble with special characters like symbols in a Wi-Fi password. If that sounds like your problem, change your password to only letters and numbers and try connecting your TV. Number 5. The wrong Wi-Fi band. Most home routers send out 2 Wi-Fi signals, one on 2.4 GHz and one on 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz travels further and goes through walls better. The 5 GHz is faster but only works well close by. Some Samsung TVs, especially older 2018 models, can only connect to the 2.4 GHz signal. They cannot see the 5 GHz band. If your router broadcasts only on 5 GHz, or if both signals share the same network name, your TV fails to connect. Log into your router settings, give each band its own name, and connect your TV to the 2.4 GHz one. Number 4. Too many devices on your Wi-Fi. Your router can only handle so many devices: phones, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and smart speakers. When too many are connected, the signal weakens for everyone. Your Samsung TV might fail simply because the router is too busy. Turn off Wi-Fi on your other devices and try connecting the TV. If it works now, your network was overloaded. The long-term fix is to go into your router settings and turn on Quality of Service, or QoS. This tells your router to give your TV the best signal first, no matter what else is running. Number 3. Your router is blocking the TV. Routers have a security feature called MAC address filtering. Every device has a unique ID called a MAC address. When this is turned on, your router only lets approved devices connect. If your TV is not on that approved list, it gets blocked. Even with the right password, the TV just keeps failing with no clear reason why. Log into your router's admin page, find the MAC filtering section, and either turn it off or add your TV to the approved list. You can find your TV's MAC address at Settings, then Support, then About this TV. Number 2. Your TV software is out of date. Samsung releases regular updates that fix bugs and keep your TV working with newer routers. If your TV has not been updated in a long time, Wi-Fi can simply stop working. If you can get on any network, even a phone hotspot, go to Settings, then Support, then Software Update, and select Update Now. If you cannot connect to anything at all, download the update from Samsung's website onto a USB drive, plug it into your TV, and the TV will install it automatically. Number 1. Power cycle, reset the network, and change the DNS. This is the fix that works for most people, and almost no one tries it first. Unplug your TV from the wall. Not stand by, fully unplug it. Unplug your router too. Wait 60 full seconds. Plug the router back in first and let it start up. Then plug your TV back in. Go to Settings, General, Network, and select Reset Network. This clears your saved Wi-Fi data and gives your TV a clean start. When you reconnect, go to IP settings, find DNS setting, and choose Enter manually. Type in 8.8.8.8. That is Google's DNS server. Thousands of Samsung TV owners say this step fixed their internet when nothing else worked.